Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this Snowflake winter eyeshadow tutorial. I really love how it all came together. If you'd like to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. And to start off this tutorial, I'm going to take the P. Louise base as always and patting that all over my eyelid with my M224 brush. Then taking a small blending brush and dipping into the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to take that blue shade and start packing that into my crease. Then taking my NYX Ultimate Brights palette and taking that on a M441 brush, and I'm just going to blend that right over the blue. Now taking that same M224 flat synthetic brush, and I'm going to start carving out my crease. Going back into the Morphe 35B palette, I'm dipping into that purple shade on a fluffy brush, and I'm also going to dip into the NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette as well, and I'm going to use that light purple shade. And I'm kind of going back and forth with the purple shades, and I'm going to start adding that just to that middle portion of my crease right before the blue. And once we have that set, I'm going back into the purple shades. I'm just going to take it on a small blending brush and going back into both of those shades back and forth to create a gradient between the white. Then taking the blue shade again from the Morphe 35B palette and start deepening my crease. I'm going to dip into that light blue shade and then I'll go into that navy blue shade just to build up the darkness. Then using the same brush I used for the purple and bringing that back just a little bit, and then doing the same with the white. And I went ahead and did my other eye off camera, and I already started my under eye shadow. I placed the P. Louise base, and then I'm going to add the blue, purple, and then I'm going to add Milani Make Believe highlighter into my inner corner. Then to start off the snowflake, I'm going to take the NYX white liner mixed with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 0, and I'm going to start making a line right out from my lash line. And then to start creating the detail on the snowflake, I'm going to just start flicking out dashes that match up right on each edge. And then you can go back on the little details and just elongate them just a little bit. And for these three that I've done now, I'm just adding 3 sets of branches on each. And for the ones in between, I'll just be adding 2. And I did my other snowflake on my other eye off camera, and I did go over the one I did originally on camera over again with the white, so it's a little more bold. And then taking the Stila Gold Goddess glitter and adding it to the back of my hand and warming it, and I'm going to be placing it with my finger on the white part of my lid. Taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to be dipping into the shade Beam, and I'm going to place that right where I added the glitter. I really like to see the little specks through the white eyeshadow. Now taking the NYX Vivid Liner in the shade Sapphire, I'm going to go ahead and line the top of my crease. Taking ColourPop's highlighter in the shade Flexitarian, and I want to add that to my inner corners, and then I'll be topping that off with Milani Make Believe holographic highlighter. Now I'll be curling my eyelashes, adding mascara, and I'll be taking this Tako black liner, and I'll be adding a thin line right on my lash line. Now taking NYX white liner in the shade Milk, and I'm going to add that to my waterline. And I went ahead and placed my eyelashes off camera. Then I'll be lining my lips with this lip liner from Milani, and I'll be filling it in with Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in the shade Hunty. Then I'll be taking Milani's holographic highlighter in the shade Make Believe, and I'm going to add that to my cheekbones. It's a little lower than I normally would go, but since the snowflake's in the way, I think it's acceptable for this look. And then I'll be highlighting my Cupid's bow and my chin with that same holographic highlighter. But for my nose, I like to go over with my usual highlighter and then topping it off with the holographic highlighter. Alright guys, and that completes this look. I really love how it all came together. I love the snowflake and the blue liner. Any makeup product I use will be in my description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.